Today we're making crispy, cheesy birria tacos with rich homemade consommé from scratch. Let's get cooking. I'm so happy to bring this Taco Tuesday meal to my platform. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's toast the chiles to bring out their aroma. Turn them until they darken and release steam. Now let's chop them into small pieces, perfect for our taco filling. Add toasted peppers, tomatoes, garlic, chipotle, cinnamon, and cloves. Then add beef broth. Everything goes into the blender. Blend until silky smooth. Season the smaller beef pieces generously with salt and pepper. Now, into the hot Dutch oven. Listen to that sizzle. See that golden crust forming? The smoke is filling the kitchen. Now, let's shred this. Pour the red chile sauce over the beef. Add onions, garlic, bay leaves, beef broth. The rich consommé surrounds the meat. And now, for the final touch, we pour the rich, steaming consommé, topped with fresh cilantro and onions. It's ready to enjoy. If this made you hungry, hit that like button, subscribe, and come back for more delicious recipes every week. For a special dessert after dinner, try this strawberry banana pudding. The layers of wafers, pudding, strawberries, and bananas make it unforgettable. It's the perfect way to end a meal. Berry banana pudding. Banana pudding mix, cold milk, vanilla extract, and sweetened condensed milk. Cream cheese, whipped topping, strawberries, bananas, and vanilla wafers. Peel the ripe bananas. Slice them into even rounds. Place the slices into a bowl. Toss lightly with lemon juice. Add the prepared banana pudding to the cream cheese mixture. Blend on low speed until smooth and evenly combined. Fold in the whipped topping gently to keep it light and airy. Use a spatula and fold from the bottom up. This preserves the fluffy texture. Cover the pudding tightly and place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. This softens the wafers and allows the flavors to blend. Look at those beautiful layers! This strawberry banana pudding is creamy, fruity, and absolutely delicious. Like, subscribe, and tell me what dessert button below to see when I post so that you will be the first to see. First, rub a lime wedge around the glass rim. Then, dip the rim in salt and turn to coat. Add strawberries, syrup, and muddle them. Pour in the tequila, orange liqueur, and lime juice. Fill with ice, seal, and shake vigorously. Fresh, fruity, and smooth, this strawberry patron margarita is ready to serve. Please enjoy responsibly.